Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Now, a while back, I revealed the number one food that causes high blood pressure. And no, it wasn't salt, not even close. Now, this is a really important topic and video that I want you to take a look at after you watch this one, and I'll give you the direct link to that video in a little bit. However, today I want to discuss the second worst food type that causes high blood pressure. One that's very bad for your entire health, especially your heart and circulatory system. One that most people are eating every single day, especially if you eat out, and that's vegetable oils. More specifically, the so-called, healthy fats that are high in omega-6 fats. These would be the canola oil, sunflower and corn oil, soybean and cottonseed oil. Now, these oils are found in almost all packaged foods. They're also heavily used in the foods that you eat out when you go to restaurants. Heck, they're even found in the so-called healthy food places such as Whole Foods when you eat their, hot, daily cooked items. Now, these fats are man-made, they're cheap, they have long shelf lives, and they create a large imbalance between the anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats. Now, the problem with these omega-6 fats is that they cause inflammation and they also decrease insulin sensitivity. Now, the inflammation is a major cause of so many health problems, including many related to the heart and brain, thus leading to negative changes in your cholesterol and lipid levels, causing hypertension and a decrease in blood flow, thus increasing your risk for heart attack and stroke. Secondly, the insulin resistance, increasing the blood sugar levels, which further causes even more inflammation, is also a major cause of many illnesses, including hypertension. So decrease and try to actually eliminate these vegetable oils. Make sure you read the labels on all the foods that you eat. And some will say, hey, what about olive oil, right? That's a vegetable oil, but it's different. If you can get real extra virgin olive oil, that's fine. But many olive oils are spiked or cut with these vegetable oils to save money. Some will actually say it on the ingredient panel and some just won't. I'd rather you actually just ate whole olives. And don't think you can undo the damage by simply eating a lot more omega-3 fats such as the fish and flaxseed oils. The ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3s is about a 2-to-1 or even a 1-to-1 ratio. Yet these days we're consuming a 20-to-1 ratio or as much as a 100-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3s. So no amount of extra omega-3 fats is going to undo the damage and the imbalance. A much better, safer, and cheaper way is to simply reduce and eliminate the omega-6 fats from these unhealthy vegetable oils. So this way you'll be much healthier, you'll actually lose body fat, you'll be able to gain more muscle, your brain will function better, your heart will be healthier, and so will your blood pressure levels. They'll be lower as well. And make sure you also watch my original video, the number one food that causes high blood pressure. Just click the link at the end of this video or below in the description area. Thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.